Hey guys, showing you this winter motorcycle gloves. It's a waterproof motorcycle riding gloves. They are warm, windproof motorcycle gloves for both men and women. So as you can see it here, it comes in a nice pack. So these are some tags and the measuring tape here, slot and the things. So these are both linked, so you can just lock, and you can see like the grip thing here inside, like the rubber grip, and for the protection they have this things in the back also. They have the protection things here, so they are warm and very cozy while wearing it, and they are really nice fit. You can see like and the feel it here. You can also tighten this based on your feel. So this also have this water scraper that you can use to scrap water from your bike or glasses or anything. So this is, they have a very nice and handy stuff and very nice protective warm gloves. So I'm just wearing the second one too, the left side one. So this is really nice and handy, no issues with the stuff. They have air circulation, protection, water scrubber, and also they have the touch screen sensor on the fingers. So you can see like the grip wise it's nice, and really looks good, and also warm and cozy feeling inside, comfortable feeling. You can tighten this up based on your liking or disliking, and this have the touch sensor as well, just to touch your mobiles. So you can see like it's easy to touch and use your mobile using these gloves. They have like two way on the thumb and the first finger. This is also a waterproof that you can see here, and just putting in the water on the top, just staying outside, and then inside you will see there is nothing on it.